Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the GTM account and a web container. This gives you the container ID you'll use in code. Once created, copy both header and body snippets. These are required. You need admin access to your site or CMS theme files. If you use a tag manager plugin, prepare the plugin settings. Make sure to pick a publish strategy now. Either publish immediately for live testing or work in a draft workspace to stage changes. Next, implement the snippets exactly where required. The header snippet goes right after the head opening tag, and the body snippet goes after the body opening tag for the NaScript fallback. If your site uses a CMS, edit the theme header and body templates or use a trusted plugin to inject snippets. For single-page apps, configure the GTM data layer and initialize on route changes so tags fire correctly. Once done, save and clear any server or CDN caches. Now add the tags you need: analytics, conversions, or pixels, and wire triggers and variables. Use the data layer to push custom event values so tags fire accurately. Then use GTM's preview and debug mode and your browser DevTools to confirm tags and network requests appear as expected. Make sure to test multiple pages and user flows. When everything validates, publish the container. If something breaks, revert to the prior version immediately and troubleshoot the failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.